I had suffered from SLE kidney failure, as a result of which my kidneys were affected. कि अरे ये कैसे हो गया? I lead a disciplined life.
बिल्कुल.
I have just 3 months to live. You know, यहाँ छेद करते हैं, ट्यूब जाता है, एंड दुआ और दवा में बहुत ताकत होती है. तो मैं लोगों के पास कटोरा लेकर भीख नहीं मांगने जाती हूँ. अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे बाबा. Let me give you a very good example. In 2021, I was down with a major disease. Okay. As a result of which my kidneys were affected.
Okay.
So
this is 2021.
Yeah. So I had suffered from SLE kidney failure.
Oh, damn.
And when that happened, I was shocked. कि अरे ये कैसे हो गया? I lead a disciplined life.
बिल्कुल.
I don't have bad habits.
Yes.
So then कैसे हो गया ये? And then my nephrologist explained to me that this is not a regular kidney failure, it's SLE kidney failure.
Like it's a rare
and
case.
SLE is an autoimmunity disorder.
Okay.
So it what it does is it causes organ failure.
Oh. Okay.
And any organ failure, not just the kidneys. So then
like one thing leads to the other.
Yeah. So then I was told that I have just 3 months to live. And he said, आप बहुत देर से आए.
And that was peak COVID.
No,
2021.
That was 2021.
Yeah.
So he said, ऐसा है, you've come very late.
Damn.
So अभी क्या करूँ मैं? I will do my best, but be prepared. And I told him, no, I'm not ready to go.
Yeah, this is not the end.
Yeah. I'm too young to go.
For
no.
sure.
So then he said, okay, you find yourself a donor, a kidney donor.
Okay.
Or in the meantime, let me put you on dialysis. I said, no. I'm not okay with either of the options.
Yeah, dialysis is a red flag.
Yeah. You know, यहाँ छेद करते हैं, ट्यूब जाता है. And in a week, you have to go at least 3 to 4 times.
Yeah.
I said, no, I can't live that kind of life. So then he said, what do we do? I said, you give me the strongest medication that you can give.
Okay.
And I will, do my prayers every day. I will eat the best nutrition, consume the best nutrition, and let's see.
Where it goes. Yes.
दुआ और दवा में बहुत ताकत होती है.
बिल्कुल.
And that's exactly what happened. I kept talking to my cells every day. I would say, dear cells of my body, I love you so much. Maybe I was ignorant towards you. That is why this happened. But now I promise to take good care of you. I will work out every day. I will eat good food. And I expect you to cooperate with me. Every day I would talk. And within 3 months, miraculously, the condition got reversed.
Wow.
And my doctor says it has been never ever heard of.
Unprecedented.
It's unprecedented. Name one individual who has reversed his or her kidney failure. It is not possible as per science.
Yeah. I think it's very important कि आप self pep talk करो क्योंकि
Yeah.
जब तक आप खुद ही नहीं believe करोगे that you will survive, no doctor can save you.
Exactly. So if we can influence our cells, we can influence our thoughts, we can influence our behavior patterns.
Definitely.
Yeah. So that's why I have now started, to just look within. मुझे काम चाहिए तो मैं लोगों के पास कटोरा लेकर भीख नहीं मांगने जाती हूँ. अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे बाबा. No. I ask myself. And मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं खुद को इस काबिल बनाऊं कि लोग मजबूर हो जाएं मुझे साइन करने पर.
बिल्कुल.
If I look great, if I speak beautifully, with passion, with compassion, and if I present myself like a diva, why would people not want to sign me?
Any day. Yeah.
तो खुद को इस काबिल बनाओ कि लोग आपको इग्नोर ना कर सकें.
बिल्कुल.
Hey guys, I'm Sherilyn Chopra and you're watching me on Mama Razi.